we want to make sure that we maximize that thinking that goes on in the writing process as much as possible when AI and writing are put together. One of the challenges is if AI writes something for you, you missed out on an opportunity to learn and to understand that material more deeply. So as students start to use AI, they're going to have to draw upon skills that we typically think of in terms of writing such an essay, which will involve locating information, analyzing it, bringing it together in a mental model, critically evaluating it, and then bringing it to life on text. Let's say that I write a text, and then we prompt AI to give me a visual diagram of how the ideas are related in text. Then I can look at that text and look to see how ideas are related, the order in which they're presented, and make decisions about whether or not that's what I really want. In this case, AI has actually been used in a way that increases the amount of thinking about our content and how we're going to present it. Another way of thinking about this would be, let's say that we have a kid who has pretty severe motor difficulties. Actually transcribing text is very challenging for them. Well, in that case, one of the things that they could do is they could generate their ideas, and then AI could translate or transform those into text with the idea that the student then looks at that to make sure that each of those sentences is clear and meets their intentions. In terms of looking ahead at the research we're doing, we just finished a meta-analysis that's taking a look at AI tools for giving feedback. This includes automated writing evaluation, so that these are tools that are not quite the same as large language models. But what we find is that when you give feedback with these kind of algorithm-based tools, students' writing improves. So that's good news. The other thing that we're going to continue to do is we're going to continue to take a look at what students and teachers say about their beliefs and attitudes towards the use of Gen AI as a tool for writing and how often they use this. The more knowledgeable you are and familiar with this tool that you are, the more likely you're to use it in your classroom. These things work together either to facilitate or impede the use of this tool in the classroom.